Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. In this video, I am explaining about lattice. So just I am taking one sphere. So we can apply lattice for any of the shapes of the 3D. That is, I have taken one sphere, not sphere, that is I will take as a geosphere of segments with minimum segments. So now go to modifier list. Here you will get the option lattice. Select this. So it will be changed to like this, like a structure. So here we can change the segments. We can increase the segments, sides, number of sides of particular. If you increase the sides, it will look like completely circle. Then joint shapes. So tetra, octa, shape, cell. Here in this way we can change the shapes of the joints also and radius also. We can change the radius also. This is about tetra. The next, if you want to change for the particular object also, we can change it. That is, I am taking just one rectangle for the next shape. Next, I am taking box. Again, modifier list, lattice. So it will look like this. Here we can change the radius. Then segments or sides. Then joint shapes. We can change the joint shapes. Then radius. Segments we can increase like completely circle. This is about the lattice. Thanks for watching this video.